Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on Face ID for App Store. So if you want to use App Store with Face ID so that each time you try to get an application or download any application from the App Store, it will request for your Face ID for verification. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on Face ID for App Store on iPhone, the first thing you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now, while on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to Face ID and passcode, and then click on that. Now, once you selected that, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode, so go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. While on this page, the Face ID and passcode page, locate iTunes and App Store, and then click on that. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode to confirm that. Then you'll be prompted to type in your Apple account password to confirm that you want to turn on iTunes and App Store. Then go ahead and then type in your password. Make sure you type in the correct password so that you're able to log in into your Apple account. And once you can confirm that, go ahead and click on OK. Then hang on for your iPhone to confirm your Apple account password. And once your Apple account password is confirmed, you should see iTunes and App Store turned on, just like that. Now, once you've turned on iTunes and App Store, and when next you want to download an application from App Store, or you want to get a new application on your iPhone, you'll be prompted to confirm with your Face ID and then Apple account password before the application can be downloaded. You see that? So you just need to go ahead, double click the button, which is the side button. Then you see Face ID here, then tap install, then you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID. You see that? So you now need your Face ID to install the application on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn on Face ID for App Store on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.